how to call someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the messages icon on the bottom center of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the individual's username whom you want to call, and you will see the option for audio call and video call on the top right of your screen. So simply tap on the call option if you want to make an audio call and tap on the video call option if you want to make a video call. So this was about how you can make a call in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.